We're currently staying near the Babinda Boulders, which are really pretty apparently, because it's our last night, just us. And then tomorrow we're gonna be in a hostel again. We are like in the forest, the rainforest, because this part of Queensland, like super close to Cairns, is super rainforesty. So that's kind of cool. It's super humid. It was raining. I was like, whoa, rain. Even though it is wet season, so I kind of expected it. But it's pretty cool. Like, I'm like, ooh, misty. Ah, this is like a movie. It was really pretty. And yeah, hopefully we'll see it in the morning. The chicken is big. Okay, you can't see.
I thought you were talking about that one. And I was like, that's the peacock.
This peacock blends in so well. It's so hard to see her. Or him. No, it's a guy. Him. So hard to see him. It's just standing there like a king. Trying to progress a little bit more. Oh, I know this is me.
Oh my god. It's mad.
Oh. There was like a fly. Oh. It stays on you. What the heck? I already sprayed shit. Wow. Oh, I think it just pooped. Wow. Good morning. We are at the Babinda Boulders, and it's a whole area. So right now we're going towards like the walking path and Devil's Pool and then the lookout. But we've already seen a peacock, which is so cool. I wasn't expecting to see one. It was so pretty, but definitely spray some bug spray because you don't know what's going on here. And there might be mosquitoes, but there's definitely been some weird bugs landing on us. We're kidnapped. Oh.
It's like beachy in the city and then like really tropical.
Yeah. We're just at one of the lookout places. We think the sign said 250 meters though, and I don't think that was 250 meters. So we're gonna try to go walk a little bit more, and then we're gonna go back and show you where you can swim here at the boulders. Decomposition present in the tropical forest of Queensland. Mushrooms, you know, they gotta do their jobs. So that first viewing deck was not the viewing deck. There's plenty more right after, so just keep walking until there's a dead end if you're going on the walking trail at the Babinda Boulders. Of course, it's raining in Queensland because it's wet season and it's a tropical place, so don't forget your umbrella. Here's a swimming area. Oh my gosh, there's a duck. Devil's Pool isn't actually where you swim, it's just where the boulders are, interestingly.
Jump in, I suppose.
Doesn't look that deep. But you can swim here. See the duck. Oh, oh. Dang, it got close to them. The duck. Zena. Come visit Zena. Babinda. This is so cool. Regretting not wearing this romper to the rainforest. If you go to a tropical rainforest, sorry, I look messy. It's hot. And you wear a one single colored romper, tag me because I gave you outfit inspo for an Instagram pic. We just returned the car, Shelly. We're so sad. Now we have to walk and use public transit, which is fine because that was my original plan to help the environment. But then we got a car rental for cheap, and so far it looked fine. Like, they didn't look like they were gonna charge us too much more. We forgot to get gas before we returned it, which is our fault because we knew we had to get gas, but we weren't like too low on gas, so it shouldn't be too much. If they charge us, he said maybe they won't. And then for the like cooking gas, we never refilled it, so they'll probably charge us $10. But other than that, the rental was still $13 a day, US dollars, after we like averaged it out. Our bus driver waited for